In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple chart windows on Tradingview. If you're a trader looking to get the most out of your market analysis, knowing how to view multiple charts at once can be a game changer. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Tradingview website. It's your go-to platform for tracking all kinds of markets, from stocks to cryptocurrencies. Once you're on their homepage, we'll take a moment to log in. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials. For those who don't, you might want to consider signing up to take full advantage of Tradingview's features. Now that you're logged in, you need to make sure your current plan allows for multiple chart views. Tradingview offers several subscription options, and not all of them include this feature. So, double check your plan and upgrade if necessary. Access to multiple charts can significantly enhance your analysis capabilities. With that sorted, let's locate the icon on the chart interface that looks like a grid of squares. This is your key to customizing the layout of your charts. Give it a click, and you'll be presented with the option to select your preferred layout. This feature is especially useful if you're monitoring different assets or time frames simultaneously. Next, you'll want to select the layout option. You'll see various configurations that allow you to view multiple charts at once. Choose the number of charts that suits your needs, whether it's 2, 4, or even more. This function gives you a panoramic view of the market action. Moving on, you'll want to customize each chart with the specific symbols you're interested in. Click on each chart to change the symbol being displayed. This is done by entering the market symbol directly. It's as simple as typing in the ticker symbol of the asset you want to track. Now enter the desired symbol into the search bar. This will bring up the relevant chart data. Make sure you select the correct market from the list of options Tradingview provides, as each market might display the same symbol differently. Finally, don't forget to update your charts. Once you enter all the symbols, ensure each chart reflects the most recent market data. By doing so, you'll gain real-time insights and can compare different markets or financial instruments side by side. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully set up multiple chart windows on Tradingview.